So in this Scotiabank app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for a credit card here on the Scotiabank application. So once the Scotiabank app is opened up, I just want you to go to My Accounts in the top left, go to the home page here in the bottom left, make sure that you scroll down to where it says Credit Cards, and then simply go ahead and select Add a Card. So once it'll bring you to this screen right here, it's actually going to bring you to the credit card page right here. So it can show you an offer spotlight here, but also too, you can scroll down, and this is where you have to go ahead and maybe have some sort of idea on the card that you're looking for. So we'll just go ahead and we'll just select Browse All Cards right here, just to keep it simple. I'll show you guys what cards they are currently offering. So there's 18 different cards here. So you can just scroll down. There's different Visa cards. There's different Scene Plus cards, there's American Express cards, there's MasterCards on here. Whatever the case may be, you can scroll down, find a card that maybe interests you. You can see the annual fee, the interest rate, maybe some bonuses with it. Whatever the case may be, you can kind of proceed this way. So let's just go simple here. And if I wanted to just as an example, let's just go up here. And you can also select the filter as well. So if you want maybe some travel, cashback, no annual fee, low interest, Scene Plus, etc. I'll just go to a student card right here, just as an example. And then we can bring this back up. So this one right here, I'll just go ahead and press on Apply Now, just as an example to bring it to the next screen. Now once you're on this page right here, this is the application process. So you can scroll down, you can check out the credit card, you can read the information. Make sure you're of course doing your research and your due diligence. And if all looks good and you want to proceed with the application, just press on Agree and Continue to sign up for a credit card this way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to sign up for a credit card here on the Scotiabank application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.